screen to focus it. Every time I see the changes, just do that.
The cancer guy. Hey, no, the cancer guy. Hey, the cancer guy.
Well, hello there. Did you know leukemia is a cancer that originates in the bone marrow? And there's different types.
What kind of leukemias are there?
That's a great question. It all depends on the type of cell and as well as how aggressive it is. So, there's different types of leukemia. We have acute and chronic. Acute being rapid and chronic being slowly aggressive. We also have myeloid and lymphoid. We have myeloid, which is just basically a cancer in which the bone marrow makes abnormal myoblasts, red blood cells, and platelets. While we have lymphoid, which is just basically the cancer that was going to be a lymphocyte.
Whoa, do you smoke? Have Fanconi anemia? Have gone through chemo or radiation? Or have a pre-leukemic disease called myelodysplastic syndrome? You may be at risk for leukemia. Are you at risk? Call 1-800-CANCER now for more information.
Showed up to the clinic with a case of fatigue. Rushed to the ER because I started to bleed. Painless swelling lymph nodes, fever and bruising. Too bad because I'm no longer cruising. Frequent infections, night sweats, swollen hepatic. Or you can be
asymptomatic.